Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Gtracing chair and preparing your device. Turn the chair's power switch to on and watch the speaker LED. Blinking means pairing mode. On your phone or PC, enable Bluetooth and keep it within 1-2 meters. This boosts signal reliability. Once done, you'll search for the chair in your device's Bluetooth list labeled Gtracing or GTXXXX. If it doesn't appear immediately, toggle the chair power once. This forces the module to re-advertise its name. Once you select Gtracing in the Bluetooth list, tap Pair or Connect and wait for confirmation. This binds profiles like a 2DP for audio. Now open your device's sound settings and choose the chair as the output device so audio routes correctly. Set volume initially to 30 to 60% to avoid sudden loud output. If you plan to use the mic, also pick Gtracing as the input device in your communication app. Make sure codecs match, otherwise latency or quality issues can occur. Finish by playing a short test track and confirming clear sound from the chair speakers. Tweak EQ or app volume if bass or treble seem off. If pairing fails, reset the chair's Bluetooth by holding the pair button for 5 to 8 seconds, then retry. Make sure no other device is interfering by turning off nearby Bluetooth devices. If problems persist, check for firmware notes in the manual or contact support. This often resolves compatibility quirks between codecs and operating systems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.